Hello friends, welcome to my channel Code Blocks. So in this video I want to discuss another problem of OPTUM coding question. That means the OPTUM company. The question name is stocks. Okay, so the question is you want to buy a particular stocks at its lowest price and sell it at its highest price. Okay, so find the your task will be the find the best price you can get to buy the stock to achieve maximum profit. So your target is to get maximum profit. So input one is 5, so it represents the number of days. Okay, and input 2 represent an array, that means the stock price of every day. Okay, so every day this array represents the stock price. Initial price is stock, initial price of stock is 0. Okay, on day 1 the value becomes minus 39,957. Okay, and day 2 the value will be increased because the value becomes 7 minus 1700 136. Okay, so value will be increased, and day 3 the value becomes 35,466. It now the value becomes positive value. That means if we buy this the stock at day 3, then we cannot get maximum profit. But if we buy the stock at day 2, we can achieve it maximum profit to, and we can buy the stocks later to get maximum profit. Okay, so first day its value 39,000 and day 2 its value minus 701.36. Okay, so so output becomes 39,957 plus minus 701.36. so if we sum this, the value becomes minus 57,093. Okay, so our output will be this. So first on day 1 the value becomes this, and day 2 becomes this. Okay, so this array represents the value of the stock of each day. Okay, so on day 2 the value becomes this one, and on day 3 the value becomes plus 35,466. so it becomes, I think, 720, then 6, then 1, and then 2. So this much. Okay, so I think day 2 will be the best because its value becomes so less to achieve maximum price. But on day 3 the value becomes less or lesser than day 2. Okay, so that's why day 2 is the best to buy the stock on day 2 and to get the maximum profit. Okay, so our output will always represent the total value of the stocks on particular day. Okay, now comes to coding part. Okay, so before going into the main function that returns its best price to buy any stocks and sell it later, we have to remind one thing in our mind. We are always traverse the array and find its negative value. Okay, on a particular day when the value of the stock is positive, we are exit from this loop. We are not checking or not adding that particular day value of the day value of the stock price. When it's positive, we have to buy its before day. Okay, so first of all, integer price is equal to 0. We have to take a variable and initialize with 0, and then we have to traverse the array. Integer is equal to 0, I less than n I plus plus. If array of I is negative, less than 0, then we can go for the next day. Okay, and we have to store it. Price is equal to price plus array of I. Else break. Okay, and after that we have to return price. when the value of the stocks on a particular day, that means array of I, when it is positive, then we have to just break from out of the for loop. Okay, we are not adding that value to the our price value. When it's the value of the stock is 0, less than 0, then we are adding that particular day value of the stocks on the particular day, we are adding to the price value, price variable. Okay, and then after that we have to return that price. So now check output. So first of all, number of days is 5, and then we have to put the value of the stocks of every day. 5 days value of this 39,557. On day 2 value is minus 17,136. On day 3 the value becomes 35,466. Day 4 is 21,820. On day 5 is minus 26,711. Okay, so the now value of the stocks as its lowest price, it becomes minus 50,093. Okay, and the day is day 2. In day 2 we have to buy the stocks. On day 3 where the value becomes positive, so we cannot get maximum profit. To get the maximum profit, we have to buy the stock as day 2. Okay, and the value becomes minus 57,093. So this is the code of the stocks problem.